necessary. So here, the general guidelines for your teaching philosophy. So ganito yun. Ang personal philosophy of teaching is, di ba, as what I mentioned, it is one of our requirements if we are applying to any kind of administrative office. So ilan bang pages siya? It must be written 3 pages. Personal philosophy of teaching. And it was included everything on how you perceive learning, teaching, and everything. Kung saan yung paniniwala on how you will teach and everything. However, pag mag-apply ka, it is not, you are not allowed to recite everything. But rather, pag interview na ka, you are just sitting there and your answer must always rely on your teaching philosophy. So that is one of the most important of this. Kasi, yung mga kan kasi is, yung mga magkuhan sa iyo ha, kailangan kong pa-autocopy sa teaching ito, your personal teaching philosophy. And ang question must always be relayed sa kung sa yung isulat mo without, walang kay papel. So wala kay access sa inyong hangkuan. So therefore, you are mastered enough for your personal teaching philosophy. So pag interviewhan ka, your answer will always be related sa inyong personal philosophy of teaching.